pink na yun.
Hey guys! Today, we're going to Jollibee. Jollibee bag. We're gonna take out some food.
Dito tayo mamaya, no? Ano, no? Diba? Di siya Ito, di siya yung makamahakita.
So guys, I'm gonna see you when we arrived at Jollibee. Guys, we're here at Jollibee. Jollibee! Guys, the line is so long. Guys, we're taking our order. So guys, this is our order. Take out. Oh my biscuit. The nuggets. Just waiting for our orders. Got the order, guys. So guys, we got our order.
Drinks.
Guys, we're just waiting for our drinks.
Drinks.
Huh?
Drinks.
Kami yung drinks.
May drinks pa.
Guys, we're still waiting for the drink. The price na, guys. We're just waiting for it. So guys, we're already done getting our order. So we're going back to our hotel. Huh? Huh? Iba to, man. We're going back now to our hotel. Ang dami nang aalis. So guys, we're in our hotel room now. Let's go. Birthday.
Walang float.
No float, no?
Meron. Kaya lang, asan na pala sila?
Here is our order, guys. So guys,
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, dito na lang kayo mag-school. Maganda
Fries.
dito.
One piece lang.
Cordilleras. No?
Kay daddy lang natin. Oh, mabusog na lang.
Ambus ka na. Kaya,
Ah, mabusog eh.
ito sa'yo.
Mm.
Kasama nito. Spicy
Please, please, no grass. Guys, we got burger steak last time. But now,
Oo.
we're gonna have some chicken.
Sa kanya na yan. Sa'yo na yan.
Ano ba ito, mami? Breast, ah?
Pares lang din
Then we're gonna
yan.
get another type.
Wala kasi iba.
Kasi ang mabusog na.
Ito, 5 part. Kaya lang cut.
Guys, our neighbor left now. Which is sad.
Pero meron pa rin dyan, no? Yung 3 to 8.
Why are you not turning on the aircon?
Just the full not juicy.
Pero pala bibili kayo ng ganito.
Guys, turning on.
Let's check the dry. Ganyan pala ang Jollibee. Kapag
19. Okay.
Pinupromo na yung chicken nila.
Oh, mabusugay.
95.
Yan ka, Desha.
Na guys.
Huwag na kayo magkalata yan nili kasi yung damit yun.
We're going to Bencab, Mines
Then come
View.
Mines View.
And dishes. Isa lang pala
Yeah.
price. No?
Oo, para
Sa'yo na lang yan.
Magkano lang yun? 400 lang.
Daddy wasted
Ang
one
tipid
piece of
natin,
fry.
Ano yung 400?
mahal yung manok.
95 lang yung manok. With rice, with drinks yan.
Gusto nyo ito. Tignan mo.
Mana quadrat.
Ooh, ang juicy.
Wait lang. Brother's plate. Mammy's plate. My plate. Daddy's plate. I don't know. Sister's plate.
Ganituhin nyo.
Time to cut them, guys.
Paborito ng Jollibee magbigay ng breast, no? Yun ang hobby ng Jollibee. Hobbies. Giving
Dip in
out
the gravy.
breast.
Rice. Pahingi, mami.
Kung kaya mo
Oh, mabusugay. Guys, this is late lunch.
Huwag ka mag-ano dyan.
Grabe, guys. Ang spicy ng chicken.
Spicy na.
Pero, mabusugera. Still. Mabus. Mabusugera.
Traffic.
Perfect. This. Now we got these iced tea, guys. Bigger, larger, juicier, creamier.
Juicier. Walang juice yung chicken. Walang juice.
Guys, I'm gonna try the skin. Spicy. But with gravy. Hey guys, we're gonna try it. Wait lang guys.
Magugas ka ng kamay mo. Pagka-ihi mo, magugas ka ng kamay mo.
Mabusugera. Spicy, guys. Iced tea.
ASMR.
Mabusugera. Daddy.
Sana maraming nag-react sa mga posts eh.
Yes! Tangin na chicken. Spicy. Dipping it. Yes.
Kaya mo? Grabe ka. Nakakakain ka na ng hot? Paano na siya kumain ng hot?
Spicy.
Yung milk hindi nyo iniinom mo.
Ha?
Kaya nga bumili ng fresh milk. Eh.
Oh, iinom ko yun.
With gravy. Oh no. Guys, it's getting really spicy.
What was that? Oh, wait. What was that? Yung gravy ko hindi masyado masarap.
First muna before the drink.
Gravy nila hindi masyado masarap eh.
Mabusugay.
I got the dry.
Bara, ano comment mo?
Yummy but dry.
Mm. 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 Where? I'm a busugera? No? No?
Ang mo siguro.
No, the sing. The song. Or else face your bell. The name.
Where, man?
Go.
Where?
Guys, I'm gonna kamay.
Ang gana kamay. Ang gana kamay.
Hindi ka?
To sing with the chicken.
Ano yung tama?
I'm gonna
Ang gana kamay.
eat the chicken with my hands.
I'm gonna use my hands.
Brothers, crispy chicken. And also, guys, we have Sunday Jollibee leftovers.
From yesterday.
Yeah, and we're gonna also eat some cake.
Ano?
We're gonna make a shorts bit, guys.
Pag uwi
About
natin
the
ng Manila nito,
Eh, ba't patabi niya?
sabi niya, kasi ginaganon mo kahapon.
Hindi ako.
Wait lang,
Picturein mo ako.